we got number 9 here on the Geometry Final 1. The key here is we've got to write all the steps that we're going to do. Remember, we got to do PEMDAS first, right, in mathematics. But for us, PEMDAS is just distribution and then simplification. When we do multiplication division from left to right, that's what we call distribution. And when we do addition subtraction from left to right, that's what we call simplification. Okay? So what I would do first is everybody on the block gets the paper, right? Distribution. So 6 times 2 is 12x, and 6 times 3 is 18. Okay? And then I would collect like terms, right? Collect like terms, that means 9 and negative 1. That would be negative 3x plus 8 equals 12x plus 18. And that's simplification. Right? We're just simplifying. Now we get to the transition part. Transition in math, right? Or I kind of made up this part, but transition in algebra, when I teach algebra, is just getting the x's to the same side. Okay? I always want to move the lowest x. So I want to move this x, because negative 3 is lower than 12. So I'm going to move it by doing the opposite. You always do the opposite. Okay? So I'm going to add 3x. So now I've got 8 is equal to 15x plus 18. Okay? And what I did in geometry is I added to each side, right? I added 3x to each side. So what that's called is the addition postulate of equality. Okay? The addition postulate of equality. Okay? Now, or addition property of equality. Either one. Okay, now I'm going to do SAT-MET. Subtraction, addition, opposite, right? So whatever it's adding or subtracting, I'm going to do the opposite. So minus 18, minus 18. And because I did it to both sides, in geometry, that's going to be subtraction property or postulate of equality. Okay? Because I subtracted from both sides. If I add to both sides, I'm going to do addition. If I subtract from both sides, I'm going to do subtraction. Now in this case, I'm going to divide from both sides, right? SAT-MET. Right? So I'm going to divide by 15. I'm going to divide by 15. And what I get here is negative 10 over 15 equals x. And that's what I call the division property of equality. Okay. Now I can reduce, right? I can reduce this. 2 goes into, nope, 2 doesn't go into both of them. 5 goes into both of them. Negative 2 times and 3 times. And so reducing, right, is the same as simplification. Okay, and then that's how you would do problem number 9. Just one step at a time.